Can you imagine a 2007 Corvette with just a little over 14,000 miles? Well, that's the car we're presenting to you right here. 2007 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 2LZ hardtop. What a beautiful car. Atomic orange on the exterior, and it has that beautiful ebony and gray interior. And under the hood, 505 horsepower LS7 engine with, yes, a 6-speed manual transmission. What fun this car is going to be to drive. Factory features include the $3,485 2LZ preferred equipment group, dual heated sports seats with airbags, power driver's side, tilt and telly, memory package, universal garage door transmitter, compass, and auto dimming mirrors. Atomic orange tint coat upcharge, and it looks great. Heads-up display, chrome wheels, Bose CD XM MP3 stereo with navigation and steering wheel controls. Has dual mode exhaust, dry sump oil system, HID headlights, dual zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power windows, power locks. Everything is power on this car. It has ABS, traction control, active handling. Coming with a clean Carfax, and boy, this car is loaded with options. And this 2007 Corvette Z06 shows just 14,780 miles. Practically a new car, and it is in very nice condition. The car's paint is in very good condition. It has a great shine. It has clear protective film that has been added to the front bumper, half of the hood, and fenders and lower fenders, side mirrors, lower quarter panels as well. This factory chrome wheels are very good to excellent condition as well. And the interior of this car shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, and door panels, and an excellent center console. This car features a corrosion-free subframe and has been fully serviced, and all instrument gauges, lights, turn signals, brakes, engine, transmission, everything is in good operating condition. We ask you to please do not assume that this is an average condition Corvette. Here at Buyavette, we specialize in hand-picked Corvettes that are loaded with expensive options. This car is a great buy. To check out the pricing and other detailed photos, be sure to click the link right below this video. Then give one of our sales representatives a call at 770-414-5552. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do, hit the notification button, and you'll see every new car that comes to our show. So give us a call today. Again, Buyavette.net. We're in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you or have a visit from you very soon.